Galveston, Texas.
Galveston, Texas. Here we are.
Hi, we're Blix and Bess, and today we're spending the day on Galveston, which is a little island a part of Texas. As our time here comes to an end, we can't think of a better place than this quaint sea town to spend our final days. And little did we know how much like home this Texan island would feel like for us. Welcome, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and enjoy our day on this little but mighty island. All right, folks, we are heading to Galveston, and it's about an hour drive. We're going to rock, paper, scissors. Who's going to drive? Ready, babe?
I'll drive.
Oh, that was easy.
Should we rock, paper, scissors?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Out of 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I'll drive.
Thank you. We're going to have a full day at Galveston tomorrow, so I'm really excited to take you along with us and get to know the island. Blix actually has family history there, right?
Mm-hmm. My grandpa and his family's from there.
Yeah.
Grew up there.
That's exciting. So we're going to tap into some family roots out there. We'll see you in Galveston in the morning. Bye. Good morning, everybody. Ooh, a little bit of a change of plans. As you can see, we're driving in the morning. We thought we would drive last night, but we figured kind of looking at iOverlander, which is the app that we use to find spots to sleep at night. None of the places look really promising, so we just figured rather have a secure good night's sleep where we were last night and just come into Galveston in the morning and see what it looks like and see if we can find a nice spot to sleep for the night. So that's what we're doing. We're here, I guess, about 8 minutes from the beach. It's trippy to see water.
Little sea town.
Yes, it's a little sea town. I need to do some research on Galveston to talk about. I know nothing about this place. But this is why we're here, right?
Yeah.
Can't wait to just experience the water and sea life out here. Let the boys run out on the beach and hopefully find a nice and safe place to sleep for the night. So we'll see you with some coffee in a little bit.
We're 6 minutes from him.
So we just found out that Blix's dad is actually in town here in Galveston.
I haven't seen him in...
We haven't seen their dad in about... When was the wedding? 3 years? 2 years? 3 years?
Yeah.
So it's quite shocking. It just they had texted their dad just to see if they knew the address of their grandpa's house, because we had mentioned earlier, I think we did, that Blix's dad's side of the family actually kind of grew up here.
Yeah.
And so upon texting Faja said Faja is here. So that might dictate some of our plans today, depending on whether or not Blix decides they want to see their dad. So we'll keep you posted on that. Cheers. Anyway, I was looking up some stuff to do here in Galveston. There's a Galveston State Park, which might be fun to kind of check out too and hang out by. There's a lot of cool museums. There's this place called Moody Gardens. I guess it's an amusement park and also an aquarium. There's, the Bishop's Palace, which I guess is like this really historic mansion. It's supposed to be like the biggest Victorian structure in all the U.S. That may not be true, but may be true.
At least now that we're talking about a place, we have Google up, so we're not.
Yeah.
So we're not just
spitting stuff out of our booties. Lots of museums. Of course, there's the beach. We're gonna walk the beach in a second after we get some coffee in our system and maybe a little bite to eat. The boys here, I know, are just kind of wow. They thought we were leaving last night, so they were prepared for a little drive, and then we changed our minds last minute. So, you know, it is what it is. All right, I'm gonna make some breakfast. We're gonna take the boys on a walk. We have free parking until 10 a.m., so we have 2 more hours. And we are gonna have a great day here in Galveston. Can't wait to show all of y'all around. We'll see you in a bit.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world.
So we're doing a little morning stroll here by the water. I'm gonna touch the water. I'm so excited. I feel like I don't know, last time. Oh, there it is. Oh. Here's Blix trying to be a good dad, getting her sons frolicking.
We are kings of the world.
every time.
Blix always forgets to push the right button every single time. Come on.
Come on, Declan.
I know. Let's have breakfast. Let's eat breakfast. Second back. Go. Go, 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 go.
Alright. Good boys.
Breakfast time. Who's ready for breakfast?
Who wants breakfast?
Hey, everybody. We actually just had a nice little sandwich over at Blix's dad's house here. This was really quite unexpected, actually.
Yeah.
We didn't know he was here. It's been quite some time since we've seen him, but it was really nice to kind of do a little catch up, and we might even have dinner with him a little later. But while the sunshine is out, we're gonna go explore the town. He gave us some good places to kind of like, the places we found online too, but things that he definitely recommended we go check out. There's a couple museums, historical spots that we could definitely at the very least drive by and see. It's a really nice day. It's sunny and warm, not too windy now, and so we're gonna take advantage of this time. Are you doing okay, honey? You're zoning out. Yeah. Should we go to Bryan's Museum?
Yeah, let's head that way, don't you think?
Can you type in Moody Gardens? I want to check out Moody Gardens. That's
Alright,
kind of the
let's do
place
that
that kind of sticks out to me.
Going down the beach road.
Okay, whichever way sounds good. So we're gonna go to this place called Moody Gardens. I think it's like an amusement park / aquarium / just little sightseeing area. So I'm excited to check it out. And yeah, I guess we found out this island is about 12 miles long and about 3 miles wide. So not that big. So we can totally see all of the island if we wanted to today. We probably will just from driving around. And yeah, Galveston. Digging it so far. It's very quaint, very sweet, and peaceful. Nice little beach town.
Yeah.
We're digging it. I don't know if we've ever talked about this, but part of doing van life for us is really going through different states and cities and seeing if there's a place we want to. Is really seeing if there's a place we want to call our forever home. We've called Bay Area home for the past 4 years together, and for me, really 10 years on and off. I went to college in the Bay Area, so yeah, we have a lot of little friendship. We have a lot of history there, but unless it dramatically changes in affordability, and even that though, I don't even know if that's where we want to call home, you know, anymore. We might be looking for something different. So in our van life journey, we are looking for communities and places that we could really picture ourselves building upon.
Park.
Yeah, permanently park. Oh, that'll be a nice like van life YouTube channel. I mean, like, you know, title, permanently parked.
Yeah.
I wonder when that will happen.
Not for a
I
while.
would never leave you, baby. I would never leave you. All right, folks, I'm excited. It's a beautiful day, and it's a beautiful day. We made it to Moody Gardens. We do not really know what to entail, but we're gonna put the boils on.
It's an amusement park.
Yeah, but there's like
places to walk around.
Yeah, just to see.
Opened in 1986.
Oh, it's been around for a minute. Wait, 1986? No, that's not that long. It was the 80s. All right, folks. We just found out that the boys are not allowed to come with us, which is always sad, but we're leaving them in here. It's not too hot. We're leaving some windows down and the fan and the AC running. And we're just going to walk around and see what the Moody Gardens is all about. So we won't be long. But it's always sad. Yeah. Okay. All right. So we're going to just walk around and see what this place is about. This is Galveston Island.
So here we are. So
Blix literally just called this place dumb without even seeing it. I'm so upset right now.
It's just
like how do you call a place? You sound like me. So we learned that Moody Gardens is primarily a nature's, like an educational center for like wildlife. So there's a lot of different exhibitions, like a rainforest exhibition that's like built into this huge pyramid structure, and then there's also an aquarium. What else is there?
But then there's like a pool with the water slide.
Yeah, there's also a hotel here. So it's basically it's a place definitely more for kids.
Yeah.
But I mean, I think it'd be fun. It's places with different amusement parks too. So we're deciding whether or not, it's not that crowded today, but we're deciding whether or not we want to do either the rainforest or maybe aquarium or another exhibition. It just depends on how many people, and we don't want to really be in indoor spaces. But I mean, I'm kind of down for the rainforest one. That looks kind of cool. Hope Blix here, who knows?
I kind of want to go to that museum.
The one that your dad talked about?
Yeah.
All right, so Blix said that Moody Gardens is for kids, so they're making us leave.
I mean, if we had kids with us, I'd be
We
down.
do have kids. They're just not, I think my coconut water is All right, well, Blix said Moody Gardens is for children, and I have to agree, it is mostly for children here. So,
Have a sip.
oops, that's the last one.
Oh, wow.
Oops. So we'll see you at Bryan Museum. We'll see you at Bryan's Museum. Brian? What the hell's Bryan? We'll see you there. Bryant Museum.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona.
So we just arrived at the Bryant Museum.
Thank you for calling the Bryan Museum, where you experience the epic story of Texas and the American West. Please listen to the following following options.
So it's closed.
Strike two.
Strike two. All right, so we'll see where we can go next. There's a bunch of museums here. Hopefully not all of them have events today. Should we go to the Bishop's Palace? So we'll see if the Bishop's Palace is available to us.
Hopefully we don't strike out here, folks.
So, you know, this is strike two. Hopefully there isn't a strike three. We'll see.
Reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for.
All right, folks, we just parked and we made it to the Bishop's Palace, which is kind of a historical landmark to come visit here while you're in Galveston. From what I remember reading, it's the biggest, I think, Victorian-styled home palace that exists in all of America. If it's wrong, I will asterisk this. But it's a historical foundation here that's preserved. I guess tickets available at the basement, so we can do a little tour here. Alright folks, we just finished up at the Bishop's Palace historical site / museum. We couldn't quite take you fully with us in there. They specifically said no videoing.
It's a beautiful place.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place. Yeah, I showed them earlier. Hi boys! Come here.
And
Okay, while Blix takes the boys out on a little potty break, I too am going to go on a little potty break, so I'll see you right after. Alright folks, I did a little bit of an outfit change because my little jumpsuit was getting a little snug on me. So, yes, we all used our restroom, did our business, and I think we're going to head back to the beach now and just kind of lounge around. We're supposed to meet Blix's dad at 6:30 for dinner somewhere. I'm really excited to have some oysters and seafood out here and just enjoy that beach life vibes more. And I read somewhere that the Ferris wheel was free, and if it's free, I might take a little, I might go rolling, spin. Yeah, I might get a little spinning. We'll see. But yeah, we'll see you at the beach.
Things I don't know.
We made it to the beach here. I think it's called East Beach. Blix went out to take Deccan and baby on a little walk while I kind of tidied up the van and take some pictures. The pictures haven't really turned out like what I imagined, but such is the case when you're trying to capture the image of van life instead of just living van life. But no, it's really nice to kind of be by the beach side and have the back doors open, and it's not too crowded, and just kind of a nice, peaceful, good weather day. It's been nice. It's nice.
Probably want water.
Got my red dress on tonight, dancing in the dark in the pale moonlight. Done my hair up real big, beauty queen style, high heels on. I'm feeling alive. Oh my God, I feel it in the air till like a Mars above, or sizzling like a snake.
Oh my God, I feel it in the air, temperature rise above, sizzling like a snail, honey. Oh, I'm fine. So nothing scares me anymore.
We're just gonna finish up snacking and pack up soon and head over to dinner soon. We're eating tonight at this place called Kenny G's. What?
Why do we have such issues with
We have issues with
Hold on.
names and stuff. Robert G, Kenny G.
Willie G's.
Willie G's, which is like a steak and seafood house. So excited to get our grub on. We'll check in with you later.
This is real life.
Is that even comfortable?
Folks, we just paid for parking. It was $15. Very pricey parking. We're kind of in like the main downtown area, about to have dinner soon at this place called Willie G's. It's a really cool like an industrial seed town here. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like it. The weather's still nice. It got a little chilly, so we put a jacket on. Is that funny?
I sneezed 2 hours ago. Just want to keep you up to date on everything.
Yeah, we want to keep you up to date. Everything that's going on, all of our bodily functions. That's the Fisherman's Wharf. But we're going to Willie G's.
What?
All right, we're about to walk into Willie G's. Have a good dinner. All right, we're about to walk in. We'll see y'all after dinner and tell you how it went.
I'm tired.
Hi y'all. We had a really amazing dinner. It was really delicious. What did we eat? Just like a seafood platter.
I actually didn't like yours.
The gumbo, the gumbo was not. I do not recommend the gumbo.
The first couple bites were good, and then I was like,
Yeah, my mom makes a mean gumbo, but
it was an interesting flavor.
That was not gumbo, whatever that was. It was not.
But
gumbo.
mine was good, and we pretty much shared that, and it was enough.
Yeah, it was enough.
It was like a little seafood platter.
Yeah, but it was nice. Sorry we didn't really film any of it. It was just kind of. It's hard to kind of film in restaurants. We're learning as we go how to be more comfortable vlogging in public spaces. And we actually just saw my brother who drove into town from Houston to Galveston to come see us. So we just kind of said our goodnight with him. And we're going to have lunch with him tomorrow. So we're really excited about that. But today was our first day in Galveston. We thought maybe it'd just be kind of a day adventure. But yeah. I think that we like it here so much we might stay here for another week.
We'll
not
see.
Another week. We haven't been here for a week. But a week. We might, I don't know. We'll see. You'll have to subscribe and find out next week if we're still here in Galveston. We've had a lot of unexpected family little reunions here. So we're kind of curious to see what else Galveston will reveal to us. It's really, I like it.
Yeah.
Have we found our home? No.
I mean, it sounds like it's expensive to live here. But,
is it?
Well, I don't really know, actually. I made that up.
We're both extremely tired. We had a really long day. We had a great day here in Galveston. Ooh. But thank you for watching. As always, we really appreciate your support and watching our journey. So if you like this video or any of our other videos, or if you just want to support some queerdos, please like this video, give us a comment. If you've been to Galveston before, let us know what you liked about it, or what we should do here. Yeah, what we should do here in the next week if we stay here. And
any questions that you have, please put them in the comments. We're going to start collecting questions.
Yeah, we want to start doing a little Q&A series. I think every 2 weeks or so, we want to sit down and do a little bit, kind of a get to know us more and why we're doing van life, because I
Or
think
any question.
yeah,
right?
yeah, really anything about us that you want to know. I think everyone does van life for a different reason, and we have our own reasons for doing this and our own figuring out our own way of being able to do this, and we want to slowly kind of share that with you all. So we can't wait to do that. All right, folks, we'll see you next week.